Yeah, how does AAVE look 10 days after the test pump? Sitting on daily apex. Well, straight away, this 2-week chart, it's got the potential to be a giant bullish pattern, a giant bull flag. I know AAVE has a lot more. Let's actually look at the history. But before I go, it really looks like we could do something like that on a new 2-week. It's up 1% today. Do you want to buy right now? I mean, that's up to you. There's 2 days away. You might have to pay up for it a bit if it does bounce. But the potential here that this is trying to bark back to the upside is very, very possible. This looks like a giant bullish pattern. And as long as we stay green on a new 2-week, there's every chance that this could actually not be done and want to continue to the upside to test these highs and maybe even take them out. So at this point, I like AAVE. I know you mentioned the test pump. I like this test pump, and it's well spotted. I like this accumulation base. I like the test pump here. To me, it looks good, and it looks like it's trying to move higher. We had a very similar pattern like this recently. If I can try and show you here, I'm not on the best screen for this, so just bear with me. Now, if you look here at super, right, we had a very similar pattern where you get this choppy move to the upside, and eventually, that breaks and runs hard to the upside, and essentially it takes there's your stop point right here, and you have a larger stop point here, but it's implying that AAVE is about to and very close to running to the upside, and it should in theory take out the highs of this. So for me, AAVE is bullish and wants to run and test these all-time highs, and maybe it could even go past these highs and go to new all-time highs. This could potentially be a large bullish pattern that wants to move up, and all the signs so far are pretty bullish to me that this wants to go. Just like super here had a very, very similar pattern, and I called this on super before it actually happened, that this was forming a bullish channel. A lot of people like to think that these are bearish rising channels, but in certain circumstances, in the right circumstances, you get a rising channel and it's very bullish, and I think the same thing is happening here on AAVE. So yeah, I like it. Is it going to move before a new 2-week? I'm not too sure. It might move up a bit, but on a new 2-week, if this flips green, I would be a buyer in AAVE.